Since the dawn of time, humans have looked up at the night sky and wondered, what's our place in the universe? What's up there, and how do we get closer to those things? In the colonial era, David Rittenhouse was one of those people. Rittenhouse was a patriot, a clockmaker, and an astronomer. Rittenhouse is well known for his work of plotting and documenting the transit of Venus. As it turns out, his work on this subject is one of the most accurate representations of this phenomenon. In 1888, a group of amateur astronomers came together to form the Camden Astronomical Society. This group was dedicated to sharing their knowledge of astronomy with the public. In 1931, the group moved and began meeting at the Franklin Institute, which at the time was located on South 7th Street, and renamed themselves the Rittenhouse Astronomical Society. We live in a fast-paced, get-it-done-now, sometimes science-denying culture. That said, there are still places where science is truly appreciated. The Rittenhouse Astronomical Society is one of those places. Every month, Rittenhouse meets here at the Franklin Institute to teach astronomy and science to the public. Come on, let's go inside. Here in the planetarium, and I have the honor now of sitting and talking with President of the Rittenhouse Astronomical Society, Mr. Ted Williams. Mr. Ted Williams, nice to meet you.
Thanks.
So Ted, what makes the Rittenhouse Society special?
I think the word you used, most of them call themselves clubs. We're a society. And in a society, by definition, it's a group of people coming together, and they have some type of common bond. Not only do they come together to meet each other and learn about astronomy, but when we end our meetings and we go up to the Bloom Observatory, it's kind of like a nice social mixer, a social event. We have drinks and pretzels, and we're looking at the sights up there. If it's a rainy night, we get to stay in the planetarium and do it right here under the stars. What makes us special, every one of these astronomy clubs I've gone to, they all have their own niche. So I guess our niche is this glorious planetarium. We get to meet here every month in it. All the resources that we have right here at the Franklin Institute. It's something that you can't get online. It's something that you really want to participate in, and it's a human experience.
I can come by myself. I could have a whole family. Would I be comfortable as an older person or with kids?
I think how the meeting works, the whole first part of it, from 7:15 to about 8:05, that's for everybody. That's made as if you're in a classroom. And I'd say children, adults, everybody can learn from that. If your children have the patience to sit through a guest speaker, that is 45 minutes to an hour, well, they're welcome to attend too. If you feel that you've gotten that full experience out of the first 3 segments, some people leave at that time. But they're more than welcome to keep their families here. The higher level experience, though, and we like to say we take it to the next level, when we're doing our guest speakers, they are college professors, they are national speakers, and we aim more for the college level at that point. So we try to do a whole array and meet the needs of anybody who shows up that evening. You stay as long as you like, you leave when you've learned enough.
So, okay, I'm very excited. I love all these ideas, and I want to get involved. I want to participate. Where do I go to find out the specifics of when things are happening and where they're happening?
The best spot, rasphilly.org, rasphilly.org. It's our splash page. It takes you to our website. It takes you to our NASA Night Sky Network site. Our main web page has our next events up there. The NASA Night Sky Network has an entire year of events mapped out for you. So one click and you can find out the